Members of Kansas's federal delegation trying to convince President Trump to approve Governor Lori Kelly's disaster declaration request. Senators Roger Marshall and Jerry Moran and Congressman Tracy Mann, Ron Estes, and Derek Schmidt wrote a letter in support of the request. The governor trying to get federal money to cover the cost of fixing damage done by back-to-back storms in March. President Trump has previously denied disaster declarations for a bomb cyclone in Washington and tornadoes in Arkansas.